Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I updated the Korean skincare haul video, but I'm very excited to do a grand reopening of my channel with a lot of skincare, lipstick, makeup, some value kit products that I got from Sephora during their split time set. And I'm very excited, and just saying this video is not sponsored by Sephora in any other way. I wish I could sponsor. I do not know the total value, and I will do the math later and put it right here. Let's get started! First of all, let's start with this value set that I got. It's activating and illuminating duo. So it comes the serum, the serum. I believe both of them are full-size product, and it really brightens up the skin and like eves all the lumpy, bumpy part out. It softens your skin and like brightens up your under eye when you're like watching Netflix overnight, which everyone's probably doing right now because we're all in quarantine club. It's slightly more expensive, and you can definitely see some changes on your faces. Would recommend. Next, another product I got from Lancome is the Hydra Anti-Stress Moisturizing Beauty Essence. It's so pink and pretty, and it's like a very gel, transparent gel-like texture. It's very refreshing, it's very lightweight. I've heard a lot of reviews that it has like a stronger fragrance or scent, but to me, it just smells like a normal moisturizer. Nothing too insane, nothing too heavy, nothing too vanilla. Another product I got from Lancome is the Tonique Confort Re-Hydrating Comforting Toner with Acacia honey. This product, very famous. I just wanted to know what the hype is. It smells super nice. It's a very thick, like creamy essence-like toner. Smells like roses, smells like honey. It's very pink, my favorite color. And I've also been using this for at least 3 to 4 times. Didn't see any breakouts, like really soothing. Overall, like a good product. The last thing I got from Lancome is this softening, hydrating toner with rose water. This is just something I really want to try for a while. I've only used this once. I don't think it's super alcohol-y. It smells very nice. Over a good toner. It's like a first toner that you use after you wash your face and like clear all like the really big particles or like dirty stuff off your face. Over a good toner. Another value set I got is from CLINIQUE, the 72-hour Auto-Replenishing Hydrator. So it contains the full-size moisturizer, the mini overnight mask, and a even tinier like eye essence. They're all pink, favorite color, and I just can't wait to use it again on my face. So besides CLINIQUE, another value set I got is from KIEHL'S. It contains a full-size, clearly corrective dark spot solution, and a mini-size Herbal-Extract toner, and a mini-size Turmeric and Cranberry seed Energizing Radiance mask. I've heard a lot of good things about this toner, but I also heard that it's very alcohol-y, so fingers crossed it's gonna not destroy my skin. This is just a very cute, like a very heavy cranberry turmeric mask. This serum is for correcting dark spots or like freckles or any darker scars that you have, and I'm very excited to try it. I don't have any specific dark acne marks, but I really want like a brighter and overall more clear and like even skin. Oh, another thing I got from KIEHL'S is your famous Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. It's avocado, and it smells like avocado, and the texture is very like avocado-y. It's an avocado face mask. It's just very soothing. Like it smells nice, it smells like avocado. I don't have anything to complain, so overall good face mask. I got a new product, a relatively new product on Sephora. It's the Watermelon Glow PHA plus PHA Pore-Tight Toner from Glow Recipe. Ooh, it's very heavy. The bottle's made out of glass, and it's like very chic and like elegant. Again, I do have their essence and their overnighting mask. I just really want to try like their toner. Again, it smells like watermelon. And it's very pink, and the texture is relatively liquidy and foggy. But again, it's for tightening your pores, and I have a lot of pores. I also got their mini-size Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice and Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, a tiny version of it. Like, I have a full size, I just really like it, but I don't think I'm gonna able to dish out a full size again. So I just got 2 mini ones, and it's both packaged in glass containers. Very nice, but very heavy. Personally, I like their product a lot. Like, it doesn't irritate my skin. Very soothing scent, very lightweight, watery kind of product. Would recommend. It's their Day Wear Multi Protection Antioxidant 24-Hour Moisture Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 15. They really shorten the product. And it smells like cucumber. It smells like cucumber with alloy mixed. It's a very good day cream. Like, I use this product before I put on all my foundation makeup as sunscreen. It just smells very refreshing. Smells light. Smells like cucumber. I have no idea who said that, but it really smells like cucumber. And it wouldn't make my foundation cakey or like feels like I'm rubbing against the wall. It's very lightweight. Overall, it's a good day cream slash sunscreen. The next product is Mango Mushroom Relief and Resilient Soothing Treatment Lotion. I heard a lot of good things about this lotion slash toner. A lot of friends recommended it to me. Smells like grass. Like a freshly trimmed grass with herbal essence. I've heard that it, when you put it on your face with a cotton swab, it takes away the redness, it takes away the bumpiness. Sounds like a magical product. This is a value kit from the Leaf. It contains a moisturizer, the True Clean Aqua Bomb, a cleanser, Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, a toner, Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner, and an eye cream. I think this is the only full-size product. It's their True Clean Aqua Bomb. I think this is the only full size. And I got like a tiny sample from Sephora a while ago. I really enjoyed it. I just want to know like how this product is gonna affect my skin long term and how I would recommend it to different skin types. So my friends, like doing quarantine, shopping is literally the only thing I can do besides playing Animal Crossing and eating a bunch of food. How's quarantine life treating you guys? Like, to me, I'm a very indoor, homebody kind of person, so I'm living my life here. But I know a lot of like my friends are complaining about not being able to go outside and drink in bars and go to like cafes. Stay safe, guys. Okay, the next product is from Malone, English Pear and Regia. This is like one of the most top seller. I literally smell this every single time I walk into like any place. It's really sweet, it's really fruity, really floral, it's really sweet. But I got it for my friend, my roommate downstairs. I hope she's gonna like it. It's not her birthday or anything, I just wanted to get her something. Oh, I have another skincare product from Innisfree. It's a Dewy Glow Jelly Cream with Jeju Cherry Blossom. A clear gel cream that delivers abundant hydration to dry and dull skin for a moist and revitalized look. Oh, good stuff, good stuff. The only reason I want to get it is because I love the cherry blossom scent and I love pink. Ooh! It smells really nice. It smells like a refreshing water lily kind of scent, and it's completely transparent. Almost like an alloy gel or like a light kind of serum. Very lightweight. Again, they call it a cream. I don't think this is a cream, but it's whatever they call this product. Oh, this is the Fenty Beauty Glowing Highlighting Stick. I don't know the full part name, but the shade I got is in Confetti. It's a glowy, lush like highlighter, icy champagne rose sparkles. It's very pretty. Got a lot of Sephora brand clay mask. I got a lot of them, 5, and an acai mask and a foot mask. I got the yellow one, the pink one, the blue one, the red one, and the green one. Each of them has different targets and specialization to your skin, and each package is 4 uses, and it doesn't come in like a gigantic container, so if you don't like it, it's only a couple bucks. Very worth it. I also got all of their stick masks. I got the black charcoal one, the blue purifying one, this is a bamboo one, and this is a watermelon one. So I got the 4 of them, and it's like a stick glue, like a stick highlighter kind of texture. And again, they have different kind of targeting things. For instance, this one's smoothing, this one's hydrating, bamboo one's mattifying, and this is nourishing, like the watermelon one's nourishing. I got 6 lipstick from different brands. Okay. So the first one is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is like their limited edition New Year Magic Red. It's a very beautiful red. It's very pretty. So the next lip product I got is from Dior. It's their Ultra Clear Liquid in shade 786 Rosewood. It's a beigey pink rosy shade. The next product is from Lancôme. It's their L'Absolu Rouge Ruby Cream. I have at least 5 of this lipstick, but this is a shade I've been looking for. It's Ruby Queen. It's a beautiful dark shade of red. It's really pretty. And their packaging is very luxurious. Like, it's better than the Dior packaging because it's so pretty. And it's in like black and gold. It's very chic and bougie. You did good. Next product is the new YSL the Velvet Cream like liquid lipstick in the face in shade 211. It's very pretty. Like, it's finally in black and like matte kind of lid and like a mattified plastic bottom. It's a chilly kind of red with a blue undertone, I think. The last 2 product is from Armani, and the shade I got is 206 and 523. I really like Armani like lip products. It's pretty, the packaging is good, the formula is good, nothing to complain, it's very pretty. So 206 is a brown terracotta kind of red, it's brig, orange tone, very pretty. And 523 is a very light pink, beigey kind of shade, like a rosewood. I really like their lip product. It's my go-to lip product. I got 2 foundation sample bags. It comes with like a variety, at least 7 8 kind of foundation product, and 2 full-size powder and like a gel primer thing. I got 2 of the YSL primer. It's mattifying and it has like diamond glitter in it. It's so pretty. The on powder. It's facial cream from KIEHL'S, 5 or 6 lipstick kit from Armani. Dior lip glow kit with their lip oil and their crazy amount of Chanel perfume. And the Versace hair mask, Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, Beauty Blender foundation, Pretty Vulgar foundation, Philosophy perfume, a lot of like Smashbox primer. This entire box is just filled with samples. And I really do hope you guys enjoy my video. If you have any critiques or comments or anything that you want to see, please tell me. I'll be more than happy to show you guys. Bye guys. Hope you have a great day. It's very fluffy. Cut. You know, what's the name now?
Estee Lauder.
Estee Lauder.
Estee Lauder.
Estee Lauder. Let me squish it back, pretend nothing happened. Trash. And face mask, oh my god.